Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A06 and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. To add event to your calendar, firstly open calendar application. In it, tap on day when we want that our event may be 60th of November and there this plus icon. First step, we can add title of our event. In this part we can add emoji to our title and change color about notification to this event. In this part we can set in which time event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day event. Now we can add location of that. There we can add this event to group about what is it about our house, work, family or our Google account. There we can set notification and alert to this event. Even this we can there we can set a repeat of that if we need it. We can add notes, make video conference, add attachment and invite some people. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything, press save and we have our event in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.